Did you know the average American spends over 30 days annually on tax paperwork, or roughly 2% of their lifespan? In the United States, taxes play a vital role in funding public goods and services, from roads to education. Despite their importance, taxes can be a complex and time-consuming process, leaving many individuals feeling overwhelmed and uncertain. With the right knowledge and strategies, however, you can simplify your tax obligations and maximize your financial benefits. In this video, we'll explore practical tax tips and financial advice that can help you navigate the tax system with confidence. From deductions and credits to tax planning and preparation, we'll cover everything you need to know to make the most of your tax dollars. So whether you're a seasoned tax professional or a first-time filer, this video is designed to provide you with the insights and tools you need to succeed. So let's get started and take the first step towards making your tax season a breeze. To begin with, it's essential to understand the different types of taxes you'll encounter, including income tax, sales tax, and property tax. Income tax is typically the most significant tax burden, and it's based on your earnings from employment, self-employment, or investments. The good news is that you may be eligible for various tax deductions and credits that can reduce your tax liability and increase your refund. For example, the standard deduction allows you to subtract a fixed amount from your income before calculating your tax liability. But that's not the strangest part. The standard deduction is adjusted annually for inflation, which means it may change from year to year. Wait until you hear what comes next. Did you know that you can also deduct certain expenses related to your job or business? This can include things like home office expenses, travel costs, and equipment purchases, which can significantly reduce your tax bill. And then something unexpected happened. The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act introduced new tax laws that affected millions of Americans. One of the key provisions of the act was the increase in the standard deduction, which reduced the number of people itemizing their deductions. But what does this mean for you? In short, it means you may be eligible for more tax deductions and credits than you think. To take advantage of these opportunities, you'll need to itemize your deductions and identify the specific expenses that qualify. For instance, you can deduct charitable donations, medical expenses, and mortgage interest, among other things. The key is to keep accurate records and track your expenses throughout the year, so you can easily claim them on your tax return. Now, let's talk about tax planning and preparation. This is where the magic happens, and you can start to see the real benefits of tax optimization. Tax planning involves anticipating and addressing potential tax liabilities before they become a problem. For example, you can use tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k) or IRA to save for retirement and reduce your tax burden. You can also take advantage of tax loss harvesting, which involves selling losing investments to offset gains from other investments. But that's not all. Did you know that you can also use tax credits to reduce your tax liability? Tax credits are essentially dollar-for-dollar reductions in your tax bill, and they can be especially valuable for low-income individuals and families. For example, the Earned Income Tax Credit (EIC) provides a refundable credit to eligible workers, which can be worth thousands of dollars. And then something unexpected happened. The IRS introduced a new tax credit for first-time homebuyers, which can be claimed on tax returns. The credit is worth up to $2,000 and can be claimed in addition to the standard deduction. So how can you make the most of tax credits and deductions? The key is to stay informed and adapt to changes in tax laws and regulations. You can also work with a tax professional or use tax software to ensure you're taking advantage of all the opportunities available to you. In conclusion, taxes may seem complex and overwhelming, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can simplify your tax obligations and maximize your financial benefits. So subscribe for more practical tax tips and financial advice. And don't forget to like and comment below with your questions and experiences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, Subscribe for more tax tips and financial advice, and don't forget to like and comment below.